Let's create a cover page for my brilliant document that I'm using to promote my business. I want this title and this subtitle and this website name to be on a page all by itself and the rest of my document to start on the next page. Now, what people do, what they often is they might click in front of or at the beginning of the text that they want to start on the next page and hit the enter button or the enter key on your keyboard until it pushes it down. Don't do that. One of the reasons why is you can't control the page numbers when you do that. Two, it can be a little messy later if you try to make other changes. So, the better way to do it is this. I'm going to click in front of the start of the text that I want to move down to the next page. I'm going to go to the Layout tab above the ribbon, and on the ribbon there's a button for break. Click that button and select Page. You're going to insert a page break. That pushes everything down to the next page. Another way to do a page break is to also hold the Control key on your keyboard and hit the Enter key. Now I can use Enter to move this text down, my cover page text. I might make it bigger, take up some more space, and I'm going to just do a little pizzazz to make my document stand out, my cover page stand out a little bit. Now we have a little issue down here. We have a page number on the cover page. I don't want a page number on the cover page. I want my page number to be with the rest of the text. And in fact, I want this to be my page 1. And my cover page doesn't have a page number at all. So to do that, there's more than one way to do it. I'm just going to show you one way. We need to go into the footer and edit it. So if I move my cursor down here next to the page number, not quite on it, but next to it, and double click, you see I have a whole new ribbon that's popped up for the header and footer. Header and footer tools. And on this ribbon, there's one checkbox that you need to check. It says Different First Page. Click it. And you see the labels for your footer and header change too. It says First Page Header, First Page Footer. That's because your document is now divided up into sections, and the first page section can have different formatting than the rest of the pages. Now I'm into the regular part of the document with header and footer, and I have page numbers now just in the rest of the document. By the way, I have a great video on sections that tells you what exactly is going on here when your document is divided into sections. So I've got one last fix to do. The title page does not have a footer, does not have a page number. The next page does have a page number, but it's starting with the page 2. I wanted to start with the page 1. I'm going to click down here in this footer next to the number 2. We're still in the header and footer tools ribbon. Click page number, click format page numbers. And down here with the page numbering, it says start at. We're going to tell it exactly where to start. So normally the document starts with page 1. In this case, we have to make the document start with a page 0. So that cover page is page 0. Click OK. While the cover page is page 0, it still does not put a page number in the footer. But if I scroll down, my next page starts with page 1.